Whether you're starting your YouTube channel or upgrading your podcast setup, a USB microphone can be a game changer for you. Not only are they super convenient to use, but also they come at an affordable price point. Recently, we have been coming across a lot of affordable USB microphones, and the one which got our attention the most is Mirabox HSA-653 USB Microphone. That's why, in today's video, we will unbox, review, and test it. So, without further delay, let's pop the box right open. This microphone comes well packaged, and inside the box, you will find a braided USB cable, a metal tripod, the microphone itself, and a user manual. The USB cable is 3 meters long, which means it's enough to fit the microphone in different situations. The metal tripod desktop stand is a nice addition to this price point and makes the microphone stable and convenient to use. Moving on to the design and build, this microphone is well built and comes in a super simple and minimal design which anyone will appreciate. It's built entirely from metal and has a rugged feel to it. On the front, it features a one-click mute button to control the recording process anytime, 2 volume controls so that you can adjust the input level the way you want, and below that, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack for a zero latency monitoring capability. There is also a pink pop filter built inside the microphone's transparent grille, which lights up in pink whenever it detects a sound and does look really cool. Now let's talk about the recorded sound quality of this microphone. Well, just to let you know that this entire video is recorded with this mic, and we gotta say that it sounds really good for its price. By default, the volume and bass knob is set to 50%, and we found that the default settings are good for us, but you can tune according to your voice if you want. We used all the accessories that came within the box and set the microphone about 6 to 8 inches away from the mouth. We also used it for live streaming and found that it can isolate the sound from the main source and can separate it from the background noise, which makes it ideal for gamers. Now this is our favorite. This microphone is simple to use. It uses a USB Type-B port for connection, which works seamlessly according to our test, and we really loved it. Besides, it's compatible with laptops and desktops running Windows and Mac OS without requiring any driver or software to get started. The Mirabox HSA-653 is what we call a truly plug-and-play microphone. Simply plug it in and you're good to go. All things considered, it is safe to say that the Mirabox HSA-653 is a high-quality budget USB microphone, so it can be considered as an upgrade if you're using an entry-level microphone. And based on the specs and features, we would say that this microphone would work best on the desk of gamers, streamers, bloggers, YouTubers, and podcast people. Its USB method of operation is highly convenient for these lines of work, and its great sound quality will help your voice sound a bit better than it normally would on an entry-level microphone. In any case, the Mirabox HSA-653 USB microphone is ideal for those people who are looking for an affordable and easy solution to speak live or record their voice. And that concludes our review of the Mirabox HSA-653 USB microphone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.